Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sheikh Hussain Ahmed, ID 213256067. Welcome to my presentation. My presentation topics Big Data. Thank you, sir. Give me the opportunity to discuss about my presentation. Big Data definition. Big Data is the term for a collection of data sets so large and complex data it become difficult to process using on-hand database management tool or traditional data processing application. APC of Big Data Analytics. This solution area focus on providing efficient analysis for extremely largest dataset. Analytics is all about gaining insight, taking advantage of the digital universe, and turning data into high quality information, provide deep insight about the business to enable better decision. Bandwidth. This solution area focus on bandwidth better performance for very fast workload. High bandwidth application include high performance computing, the ability to perform complex analysis at extremely high speed. High performance video stream for surveillance and mission planning, and as video editing and play out in media and entertainment content. This solution area focus on the need to provide boundless, secure, scalable data store. Content solution must enable a strong, virtually unlimited amount of data so that enterprise can store as much data as they want, find it when they need it, and never lose it. 3 V's of big data. Volume. Not only can each data source contain a huge volume of data, but also the number of data sources, even for a single domain, has grown to be in the 10 of thousand. Velocity as a direct consequence of the rate at which data is being collected and continuously made available. Many of the data sources are very dynamic. Variety. Data sources, even in the same domain, are extremely heterogeneous, both at the schema level regarding how they structure their data and at the instance level regarding how they are describe the same real world entity, exhibiting considerable varieties even for substantially similar entities. Example, the in a NASA Center for Climate Simulation NCCS stored 32 petabyte of climate observation. Big data integration. A lot of data growth in happening around this so-called unstructured data type. Big data integration is all about automation of the collection, organization, and analysis of this data type. The importance of big data integration has led to a substantial amount of research over the past few years on the topics of schema mapping, record linkage, and data function. Big data vs traditional data integration. The number of data sources even for a single domain has grown to be in the tens of thousands. Many of the data sources are very dynamic as a huge amount of newly collected data are continuously made available. The data sources are extremely heterogeneous in their structure with considerable varieties even for substantially similar entities. The data sources are of widely different qualities with significant difference in the cover, accuracy, and timelines of data provided. Schema mapping. Schema mapping in a data integration system refer to creating a mid-let global schema and identifying the mapping between the mediated global schema and the local schema of 3D data source to determine which set of attributes contain the same information. Example, define relationship among this entity. Record linkage. Record linkage refers to the task of finding record in a dataset that refer to the same entity across different data sources. Challenge in BDI. In BDI, data sources tend to be heterogeneous in their structure and many sources. Map reducing. Map reducing is programming model for processing large data set with a parallel distribute algorithm on a cluster. Advantage: real-time rerouting for transportation fields based on weather patterns. Customer sentiment analysis based on social posts. Allocation of distant life supply based on mobile and social messages from victims. Car driving themselves. Conclusion. This seminar gave a basic insight of what is big data and reviewed the state of the art technique for data integration in addressing the new collection received by big data, including volume and number of sources, velocity, variety, and varieties. It also lists out the advantages of her necessary the potential of big data. Thank you, sir.